Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Samira. So today's video, we're doing a self-tan for back to school. Keep in mind, this is my first time doing a self-tan and I already got my hair done for school. I know it's sample, but just wait. I'm gonna make a video for the first day of school. It's my last not my last day, but like my last time in high school. I'm gonna be a senior. I'm actually a senior right now. So yeah, I'm gonna do a video for that one. But today is a video for self-tan. I'm doing a tan, but you don't have to be black. I mean, you don't have to be only white to do tan. You know that, right? So you can do it if you have uneven skin, or just if you want to. You don't have to be white today to do this. So I'm doing it because I feel like my skin is a little bit uneven and I want to have that sun-kissed skin for back to school. So you can do it if you want like a sun-kissed looking skin, or you can do it if you want some, like if you want an even skin, if you have hypercreation, I can't even say it. So yeah, let me change into the clothes to show you guys the before and after the tan. So using this self-tan, you have to take shower before using it, and you do not put any lotion, any moisturizer. You do not put any of that. So you have to have nothing, and your skin have to be dry. That's why I just got out of shower. Yeah, it have to be dry, so I'm waiting for my skin to be dry, and then we're gonna start doing the work. But since we're waiting, I'm gonna end it. It's already dry. Skin doesn't take that long to dry. So I'm gonna change into my clothes, and then I'm gonna show you guys the before and after. So yeah, this is gonna be a short video. It's my first time, so I'm scared. So this is the product I'm using. I just bought this yesterday from Amazon, and I'm surprised it came early. And this is how you use it. And this is the gloves. So we're gonna be working with. So yeah, I just read the thing. It just said that like I have to put some moisturizer, but I watched a girl saying to not put any moisturizer, but like I guess I have to and leave it for hours. So I'm gonna sleep with it on, and I will see you guys in the morning. But let me show you guys the before and after. I'm scared. Open it and it went everywhere on my hand. I don't know if you can see it on my bed. So tomorrow I have to wash. I have to do laundry. Gosh, I don't know if this is a warning to not use it, a bad sign, but like yikes. I'm already replying. I want to show you guys the difference on the feet, because I'm not showing you guys my entire body, but this is the difference, and I'm not done yet. So yeah, this is how it looks. This have 10 on it, and this doesn't have 10 on it. So yeah. Hi guys, so this is the after. Now I have to go to sleep and take a shower in the morning, and then I'm gonna show you guys how my skin looks like after a shower. So yeah, I actually recommend it. It doesn't stink. A lot of people say, they say self-tan stinks really bad, but this one smells so good. And then I did my nails. It look a little bit ugly, but I promise it looks so good for school. Sorry for showing my feet. So yeah, that tan is good, and it makes my skin look even. I'm gonna show you guys the before and after pictures. So yeah. So I already finished putting the tan on, and it's a little bit sticky, not too much sticky, and I really recommend this tan. It's really good. You don't have to be white to use it, you know. People brainwash, you know, people saying that you have to be white to tan. Who said that? So it's a very good tanning, self-tanning spray. It really does the work. I'm not gonna say because I haven't gone to sleep yet. I haven't seen the results, but I'm sure it's gonna look good in the morning, because I already seen it. It's popping off. Maybe the lining is not looking good, but tomorrow, baby, it will look good. But yeah, guys, it's already looking good, okay? So I recommend it. You should try it. Even your skin, it makes your skin looks good, and it makes your skin give your skin that sun kiss. So yeah, guys, I recommend it. You should buy it. This is the name of it. So yeah, guys, see you guys in the morning. Bye. In the morning, everybody. My face shining very bright. Okay, so this is how the ending result looks like. Everything looks tea. I know you cannot see my legs, probably because I have long pants on. I'm going shopping right now. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. I really recommend it. It's a really good one, and it did me justice. It did not do me dirty. What do you think? So yeah, this is the results. It looks good. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys the sun kiss I was talking about. This is how the skin looked like in the sun. Look how the sun kiss is just like it's bobbing. This is what I was talking about. So if you're dark skin girl, you should get a tan. You should tan. You should do your self-tan. Like I recommend. Like look, it looks so good. I actually recommend it. Those girls coming. But I actually recommend it, guys. Look how my skin is glowing. I actually already have a glowing skin, but this makes it 20 times better. So yeah, I actually recommend it, and I feel like people should get it. Not feel like, I think you should get it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on notification. Yeah, have a blessed day. Bye.